Ouch!
Here's the leprechaun.
What? Puffin, what are you doing? We came to make sure you're all right. Wait, are you hypnotized?
Silence, civilian card. Asset acquired, area secured.
Definitely hypnotized.
Now it's time for you to get weaponized, son!
Once Major Abs harnesses your wish-granting power, he'll be able to bring his entire video game army into our world! They sold 15 million copies, you know.
And I have other wishes, too! Super cool wishes! Like maybe a monster truck and a bikini babe to wash it for me!
I'll never grant you a wish. Not one! Snap out of it, man!
He has to grant your wishes. He has no choice. But be careful what you wish for, sir.
Puffin, I realize you're under this guy's spell, but maybe you could be a little less gung-ho, huh?
Good work, bird brain! Now get down and give me 5-0 while I write the perfect wish to grant me total control of the asset's powers! Marine style, now!
You're gonna hate yourself when you find out what you're doing to yourself. Exercise disgusts you.
I don't know what you've been told. This little bird's mighty bold.
But, that's okay. You're happier now. And it'll be better for me and Akiko once you're just a buff army dude. We won't have to share the controller anymore.
Who's the king? Who's the king?
And I can finally clear out your vintage chip bag collection. And best of all, since you won't be around anymore, I'll never have to make sardine pancakes again.
Oh! Ah! Push-ups? Disgusting.
Told you so. Now untie me.
What? You cootie rat! I thought we were supposed to be awesome friends. I used that word specifically. A taste of your own medicine. Huh, ha. Oh, Nanny.
Hypno-Owl! Commence to weaponize Private Puffin!
Sir, yes, sir.